it's Gina from WTI. I absolutely love gardening. For me, it's really therapeutic to work in the garden and especially to see my little sprouts come up and to be able to harvest and eat the produce that I get. So I'm so happy that I have the option to have this land guard raised bed. It was so easy to assemble. It comes with really clear directions and you can really do the whole thing by hand. Or if you want the connections to be really tight, I went ahead and used just a small handheld drill. These types of galvanized metal raised beds can last you for years. Now, I have other raised beds that are wooden and they're really difficult to move around when I want to change their location. And this one is so lightweight. Once the dirt isn't in it, you can just pick it up and move it to wherever you want in the garden. I also think it's really aesthetically pleasing. I like the way that it just blends into the rest of my garden. The raised bed is really helping save my back too, because then I can just sit on a little seat and be able to weed or plant or pick produce without killing my back. If you're looking for a high quality raised bed, then I recommend checking out this one. We're really pleased with it, and that's my point of view.